EcoFlow's X-Boost technology allows you to power devices up to 1,200 watts, which lets you power up to 80% of essential devices like kitchen appliances and DIY tools. Please conduct the full test on a case-by-case basis to see if the X-Boost feature can work with your appliances. Use devices below 1,200 watts for the best product use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 3 AC outlets and 576 watts-hours capacity. The RiverMax portable power station has 3 AC outlets and a capacity of 576 watts-hours, providing users with incredible power for most of their favorite devices. Number 2. Recharge from 0 to 80% within 1 hour. EcoFlow X-Stream Charge technology recharges the power station from 0 to 80% within 1 hour, which is one of the fastest recharging rates on the market. Quiet charging can be enabled from the EcoFlow app. Number 3. Modular design. Compare with River Power Station plus River Extra Battery. No need to install. Easier for you. A unique modular design gives you the freedom to adjust the power and portability of River within seconds. The extra battery doubles the capacity from 288 to 576 watts-hours during situations when you need more power. You can also detach the River Extra battery easily for more portability during traveling, outdoor adventures, or any application where you need to power devices on the go. Number 4. 24 months product guarantee. EcoFlow offers a 24/7 friendly customer service and a 24 months product guarantee. What's in the box? 1 RiverMax 576 watts-hours portable power station, 5 types of charging cable, 1 user guide, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Why is the car charging current set to 8 amps by default? What effect will this have on normal use? Answer. The models of vehicles on the market are different, and the wiring of some vehicles may be aging. For the sake of safety, the setting of 8 amps not only ensures the safety of car charging but also does not affect normal use. At present, we are the only power station seller that can adjust the car charging current through the app. It is our mission to provide customers with a safe and high-quality user experience. Question number 2. What devices can RiverMax run? Answer. With EcoFlow X-Boost technology, RiverMax can power devices up to 1,200 watts. However, X-Boost is not applicable for all electrical appliances. Some 600 to 1,800 watts appliances with strict voltage requirements may not function. In addition, if the instantaneous power of the electrical appliance exceeds 1,200 watts, exceeding 1,800 watts will also cause the power supply to be overloaded and unusable. Question number 3. How long will RiverMax run my device? Answer. Generally, runtime 576 watts-hours, 0.85. Operating wattage of your device. The inverter efficiency of different output power is different, so the use time of the electrical appliance is also different according to the different efficiency. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.